Hello to newcomers and welcome back, my lovely subscribers. Today, I have some very exciting news for you guys. To tell you guys what that is, I'm going to slightly misquote Emperor Palpatine himself. In order to ensure growth and continued awesomeness, Big Baby Props will be reorganized into the first Galactic Armory. Yeah, pretty stupid, but this is not how Liberty is going to be dying. This is how the birth of the Galactic Armory is happening. That's right, guys. I'm going to be rebranding. I'm going to be rebranding the channel, my social medias, and my Etsy shop. Like I said, I'm very excited to be sharing this news with you guys. This has been probably over a month in the works, so it's very exciting for me to tell you guys and to show you guys what I've been working on. This rebranding is going to come with a whole lot of new stuff, so I wanted to give you guys a rundown of what you can expect. First, let's get a closer look at the new logo. This is from my friend over at Metamorials Graphics. He does some excellent work, so be sure to check him out on Instagram. Link will be in the description. It features 3 of the Phase 2 Coruscant Guard classes from Battlefront 2. Sorry, Assault, but there wasn't enough room for everybody. Centerfold is the Officer class, the exact same trooper I've been working on for over the last year. I've got its helmet with me right here. Now that it's nearly finished, I thought what better way to celebrate than by putting him front and center. Off to the right is the Specialist Trooper, identified by his binoculars and the Vulcan rifle. I really love the look of those binoculars, so I just had to have him in the design. And finally, the left side is the Heavy Trooper, wielding one of my favorite blasters, the Z6 rotary cannon. Partly in remembrance of the time that I 3D modeled and printed myself one of those beasts. I really love how they all look together, and I hope you guys do too. Now that we've had a good look at the logo, let's move on. One of the things I'm most excited about is that I launched my own website, galacticarmory.net. This is from an effort to kind of build my own platform to sell on instead of having to rely on Etsy. That way, I am not burdened by their pricing structure or their fees or anything if they change. So this is an effort to combat that. In celebration of the new website, you're going to be able to find all my props from Etsy on this new shop. The best part is they're all going to be 10% cheaper than on Etsy. So if you want some savings on some new helmets, check out my new website. It's got it all there. Link will be in the description. Call me Billy Mays because, but wait, there's more. In addition to all my props, I'm also going to be selling 3D printer supplies that I personally use myself, as well as new Galactic Armory apparel. That's right, guys. A bonus of the brand new logo is that I can now sell merch. So t-shirts, hoodies, jackets, everything really. I mostly just wanted to buy t-shirts and stuff with this logo on it for myself because I really love the logo, but I wanted to extend that opportunity to you guys as well. It also helps support the channel, so I really appreciate any support you guys could give me. Like I said earlier, all of this was basically done in an effort to branch off of Etsy and onto my own website, my own thing. But you guys can still expect the same quality products and videos that I've been making thus far. You guys can still call me the Big Baby. You can still watch my videos on YouTube, and you can still buy my helmets and props on Etsy if you wish. Everything about this change is going to be supplementary to what you already have available. It's my hope that you guys are receptive to this change. Right now I can only devote so much time since I'm still working a full-time job to running the business, but hopefully in a few years I would love, absolutely love, to take this full-time so that I can devote more time to showing you guys how to 3D print models and just basically building awesome Star Wars props for you and showing you guys how to do it. But that's going to take a lot of work before I can do it full-time. So I just want to, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys. This has been an amazing journey that I've been on for the last like over 2 years now, and I'm really looking forward to what the future has in store for me and for us. So With that, I want to thank you guys for watching this update. Remember to check out the new website to save 10% on all my Etsy products. And as always, I hope to see you again in the next video.